all know that we are going through chapter number 9, that is money, and we have learnt some topic from this chapter. Today we will learn another important topic from this chapter, that is addition and subtraction of money. This is very easy. So the addition of money is just like the addition of 2-digit and 3-digit number with carrying. You have learnt how can you do the addition of 2-digit and 3-digit number with carrying and without carrying. So the addition of money is just like that. Okay. So look at here, 625 rupees plus 539 rupees. How can you do this addition? You have learned that in your previous classes, in the previous chapter. So this is just like that addition. 625 rupees plus 539 rupees. 5 plus 9 is 14, but 14 is a 2-digit number, so we cannot write a 2-digit number at a particular place. 5 plus 9, 14, so 4 will come here and 1 will carry here. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So 1164 rupees. This will be the answer. Next. This is the rupee sign, this is the paise sign. 576 rupees 65 paise, 289 rupees 45 paise. So how can you do this addition? 65 paise plus 45 paise. 5 plus 5 is 10, but we cannot write a 2-digit number at a particular place. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 will come here and 1 will carry here. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 is also a 2-digit number, so we cannot write 11 here. So 1 will come here, this much price, and 1 will carry here. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 1, 16, and 1 will carry here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 6 will come here, 1 will carry here. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 866 rupees 10 paise. 866 rupees 10 paise. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Okay. Next, subtraction of money. This is how you can do the addition. The addition of money is just like the addition of 2 and 3-digit number with carrying and without carrying. Next topic is subtraction of money. So similarly, the subtraction of money is just like the subtraction of 2 and 3-digit number with borrowing. So you have learned well how can you do the subtraction of 2 and 3-digit number with and without borrowing. So the subtraction of money is just like that. How can you do the subtraction of 2 and 3-digit number? So look at here, 589 rupees minus 495 rupees. So all of you can know how can you subtract the 495 from 589. So this is similarly before the like the process of subtraction. 589 minus 495. 9 minus you need to start subtraction from the right side, from the this side or from right side. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 9. So 8 is less than 9. But we know that we cannot subtract a greater number from a smaller number. So 8 will borrow 1 from the hundreds place. That is 8 become 18 and this 5 become 4. So 18 minus 9 is 9. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So 94 rupees. This will be the answer. Next, 385 rupees 29 paise. 167 rupees 5 paise. You have to subtract these two numbers. 9 minus, you have to start subtraction from this side. As you know that you need to start addition and subtraction from the right side, that is from the ones place. Similarly, the addition of money and subtraction, you need to start from the right side. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 7, but we cannot subtract 7 from 5 since 5 is less than 7. যেহেতু 5 আর 7 এর মধ্যে 5 ছোট, so আমরা 7 কে 5 থেকে subtract করতে পারি না. So 5 will borrow 1 from 8. So 5 becomes 15 and 8 becomes 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 218 rupees 24 paise. This is how you can do the subtraction and addition of money. So now we will complete some page from your book. All of you open your book and open page number 137. In your previous class we have completed up to page number 136. So today we will complete 137 page. First of all, read the price tags of the following toys articles and fill in the boxes. Here some articles are given and the price of each article is also given. The price tags in the price tags. So the price of this ball is 12 rupees. The price of this cap is 10 rupees. The price of this toy car 25 rupees. The price of this pencil 2 rupees. Teddy bear is 8 rupees. Ice cream is 5 rupees. And the price of this science book is 14 rupees. The total price of a car and a teddy bear. So you have to find the total price of a car and a teddy bear. You know the price of car and teddy bear. Total price, if the price of a car is 25 rupees and the price of a teddy bear is 8 rupees. So you have to add 25 and 8. 25 plus 8 is 33. The total price of a car and a cap. The total price of a car is 25 rupees and cap is 10 rupees. So total price of this car and cap. That means you have to add 25 and 10. 25 plus 10 is 35 rupees. This will be 35 rupees. Next, the total price of a softie and a teddy bear. The total price of a here you need to do a correction, that is the total price of a ball and a teddy bear. The total price of a ball and a teddy bear. So what is the price of ball is 12 rupees and teddy bear is 8 rupees. So the total price of a ball and a teddy bear will be 12 plus 8, that is 20 rupees. Okay, so this is how you can find the total price of some articles. Okay, next, read the price of the following items considering the fact that you buy 4 items. The price of cola is 10 rupees, milk is 5 rupees, peach is 7 rupees, burger 8 rupees, sandwich 10 rupees, apple 6 rupees. So you have to find the, suppose you have bought 4 each items, 4 cola, 4 milk, 4 peach, 4 burger, 4 sandwich, 4 apples. So you have to find the price. So the price of 4 apples, the price of 1 apple is 6 rupees. So the price of 4 apples will be 4 multiplied by 6, that is 24 rupees. The price of sandwich, the price of 1 sandwich is 10 rupees. That is the price of 4 sandwich will be 4 multiplied by 10, that is will be 40 rupees. The price of colas, the price of 1 cola is 10 rupees. So the price of 4 colas will be 4 into 10, that is 40 rupees. Peach, you have bought 4 peach. So the price of 1 peach is 7 rupees. So the price of 4 peach will be 4 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 28 rupees. Next page number 138. I have learnt you how can you do the addition and subtraction of money, and this is very easy. This is the process of just like the addition of 2-digit and 3-digit number. So I hope all of you can do this by yourself. So page number 138 and page number 139, subtraction of money. You have learned this today. So you have to complete this 2 page by yourself. I am not doing these 2 page. So you have to complete this 2 page by yourself. So after watching this today's video, you have to complete 137, 138 and 139 page. And if you have any queries in this class, you can ask me.